All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Get myself situated here. Trader BNinja coming to you live with another slow market stream here. Not currently in any trades. Um, had a pretty good day on the this morning. Oh, here, 1 second. All right. Sorry about that. I had to get my dog situated. And we're back. So, like I said, not currently in any trades. Had a pretty good morning session here earlier today. And now we're in the slow markets. So you can see since it opened. Alright. 6 p.m. What am I on? The 15 minute. So we can see where market opened here. 6 p.m. Immediate sell off. What's that? Almost 50-point sell off. The market has kind of been continuing down since. We are looking at a little retracement here, so let's see how far it goes. Showing a little oversold on MFI. But again, have to wait and develop. Market went on a tear today. As you can see, it crept up after hours pretty consistently. Nice trend there. And then when market opened, it just took off. It just took off. 300 points there. I was actually in a long. I got into a long pretty much at the bottom here. And as it actually, I think I got into a long pretty much here. And then I had a good level. You know, it was going good. But I had my stop loss, so it trailed down into my stop loss. It wasn't at break even, I secured profit, but after it hit my stop loss, market open, maybe like 20 seconds later, 30 seconds later, and it just immediately took off. So I was able to catch a little bit of the initial move. I missed most of the move, but I was able to capture some of it. So I'm thankful for that. And then I was able to capture some of the fluctuations in this candle. It's the hour candle. I'll go to the 15 minute. So to give a little bit more detail. As you can see, the next 15 minute candle actually ended up ranging all the way down here. So I was able to capture that move as well, which is then where I got myself out for the day. But as I look at the chart now, I do see market continuing to trend down. See, today would be one of those days where the orb play may not necessarily work unless we're looking at this candle here. Because if you're looking at this candle as being, then it did break, but anyways, just looking at that, I'm just thinking about the moves I had. So right now, like I said, we got a little bit of a retracement back to the upside here. This market has been trending down all day. The 5 minute chart, this would have been a good entry here. Normally this would have been like my entry. Very minimal drawdown, 7 points. The drawdown with 20 points to the upside. So that would have been a good trade on the 5 minutes. So we look for stuff like that, just confirmation. Right now, I do see something. It's not very high probability trades right now, so I don't really want to pull the trigger at all just to trade. In the past, that's where I've gotten into a lot of issues with just trading just to trade, and not waiting for the market, not waiting for a setup to actually happen. Waiting to see it set up, or even just hunting instead of stalking the prey. You just let it come to you. Pick a good spot, you set up shop, and you let the prey come to you. So all learning game. Let's see if we can get this a red candle here. We got some levels. Resistance here. Let's see if it can break through these levels here. It's been pretty good trending up here. Nice wick there. Nice wick there. Alright, so while that's doing that, what I'll do, while we're waiting on market, we can look at some other things. So let's see what news we have this week. There is going to be a lot of news later in the week, I think starting Wednesday, but let me see if you guys can see that. Alright, you can see enough of it. So, as you can see, today, Monday, Veterans Day, no real news. Tuesday, a lot of news, but nothing crazy for us in the U.S. market. Now, Wednesday, we got CPI. Then Thursday, we got PPI numbers coming up. Unemployment, all at 8:30. Then Powell's speaking at 3. Now, is he actually speaking? We don't know. Like, is it going to be some pre-recorded thing that they played at the beginning of somebody else speaking? Possibly, because it is like that before, but we'll see. So that's on Thursday. We're just cognitive of that. And Friday, retail numbers coming out at 8:30. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I wouldn't be surprised if there's quite a bit of movement on those days, just because right after the election as well. The market is proving itself to be definitely a bull market. Like I said, we can see the run up that happened today. 300-point run up, although the market is retracing that initial move. Let me see how many points it's at right now. It's 925. Let's say from 930. So it's about 45 points from all that. And from here at this level, it may just end up taking off and back to that upside. Let's take a look at the daily chart here, which I have actually marked up on my trading view on my other screen here. Let's take a look. So, although again, market has been running crazy, This was the election day. Election day went insane. I mean, there is nothing stopping it from continuing to make new highs. You can't really, again, can't really look at the market. You don't want to look at the market for what you think it should be. You just react to how it actually is and what's actually happening. So, daily chart, 4 hour. It's just dumb bullish. Look at this. Look at this. We got our little retracement here. That was from today. Yeah, from today. 3-4 hours, just the current. So we could see another nice move to the downside for the session tomorrow, the New York session. We'll just see how this thing populates on the DOM so far. I can't go to sleep. Again, we're not just gonna get in the trade just to get in the trade right now. Oh, I didn't even see it was trending like that. That would have been a nice trade from there. How many points is that? I probably would have took the trade right there. 81 points. Would drawdown. 30-point drawdown. 50 points would have been good. Yeah. 3. This might be 1, 2, 3. Let's see how this next 1 hour candle closes. In 30 minutes, we'll know. Or 23 minutes, we'll see it. And 23 minutes. That's our 5-minute. Alright, let's see how this 5-minute closes. There's a nice drop there. Nice V replace. Nice trend outside. Let's look at the 1. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to trend down. So we'll take a trade here. 1 contract. Yeah, we'll take a
order filled.
We'll take a 1 contract trade here. Why not? Yeah, we'll take 1 contract. Risk. I mean, normally do like 250. So it's like 2 to 1. You do 500, I'll do 4. I'm not gonna leave them. You see how kind of far away they are. We're on the. Let's go on 15. They're still kind of far away on the 15. Like, that's plenty of risk. If that's plenty of risk, it's a good trade. Am I gonna stay in this trade while it does that? Probably. It looks like my take profits around where market opened today. Well, the New York Open. This is the New York Open right here. 9:30 candle here. It's New York Open. Can we retrace back all the way down there? I mean, if we do, we're probably looking. It looks very possible, very plausible. Where our risk is right now, we have a couple levels of resistance, like here and here as well. Ideally, we probably want it above the entire structure, which is why micros are good too. Like if you're playing with combines or, because right here is 250. So let's just, for example, let's say you wanted it up here. That's 239 ticks. That would be me risking $1,200. which would be insane. But if you want to give yourself, that much room for uh, run up, potential run up in a trade like this, then micros are a good solution. MYM. That's a good solution. So right now we just started in the trade, one contract, 50-point stop loss, 80-point take profit. A lot of people say there's not much volume in slow markets, but let me show you. Let's see. And it very well could take all night, a move like that. But I think we moved probably about, yeah, so since it's been open, markets moved about 60 points so far. So it definitely has the possibility to move 100 and whatever points, because right here, if you look at the overnight, all the way up to, that's 170 points right now. We're looking for 80. So it might be a trade that just takes time to develop. Obviously, it may slow market, which is perfectly fine. We are not opposed to that. Just letting it run. And going from there. So we're going to let the trade run. And that's kind of a part of trading. It's a lot of this is patience. Could I make a trade with a tighter range here? Maybe go for a 25 tick stop loss and a 50 tick take profit, or 40 tick take profit. Yeah, but if it looks like it could happen, then we want to capitalize. We got some levels here. Looks like price is starting to bounce a little bit on the MFR right there, but I think that's what that move was. That's what this move is right here. It barely crossed over VWAP. It's been hugging VWAP pretty tight, even before market was closed. So we'll just let the trade run and see from there. This could be the pivot point. This could be the entire V pivot point to where market starts to run up as well. But my theory is that it will run down first, probably about the same type of pattern this is, like how it was running up. Late night, I think it's gonna trend down and then back up as you get the market open tomorrow. So, or it could just start doing that now. This could be the V. And we will see what it be. So we are up on our combines here, and I actually have a story to tell. I'll probably tell another video, but long story short, we're able to get a free combine, any combine level we choose, just because of a mistake that I actually made. I was very, 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 very pleased with Top Step for at least offering me the combine as a solution. So I definitely appreciate them for that. But I will tell that at another time. Just for the heck of it, I'm just gonna look at. I'm not gonna trade this because I'm not trading one instrument, but I just want to look at MNQ right now just to see what's going on with it. Yeah, I just want to see what's going on with it. 15-minute. See, I see MQ. It likes to trend pretty good. Like when it's starting to trend, it likes to trend. Yeah, it's a nice 15-minute. 5. It's all looking kind of oversold here. MQ. MQ. Let's say we can go for a quick scalp here. There's one contract.
Order filled.
We're gonna try a quick scalp here on MQ. Quick scalp. 1 minute. I'm only gonna risk probably like 150. Yeah, to make 300. Just quick. Still looks bullish here. You know, I might enter too early, but we're about to find out. This is the 15. We're gonna need that 15 to close. We need this one to close bullish. I mean bearish. For sure. It's like one contract, so it's like 5 points. The telltale on this one is here. So we'll see how it closes. We're only risking 150 bucks on the trade. Just to get a little bit above that structure. Actually, let me give it 35 ticks. 35. Let's make it 175 because I just saw the other structure right there. So let's make it 175. And to make it fair, I'm going to do 50. Yeah, I mean, that's what it looked like it was going to do anyways. Run up a little bit. I don't know, man, about the MFI thing. Like, it's like it kind of works, but depends on when you're seeing the trade, you know. Depends on when you're seeing the trade. Got 2 trades open here. We got a YM trade that probably will go overnight. And this MNQ trade that may end up closing pretty damn early. So we'll see. I don't normally trade other stuff, but I just looked at this and it kind of looked like a good setup. I mean, bull flag did form right there, and you got that B there, so yeah, we just get cooked here, which yeah, it's cool. Get cooked, we get cooked. I mean, we do got price action moving like that. Not really what I want to see. I might have just gotten a trade too early. The idea may be right. And actually, truthfully, I can risk 250 on this trade as well to make 500 because, yeah, I forgot. It's one contract. I forgot I'm on MNQ, so it's $5. So I do need to give myself some room. I need to give myself some type of room. Yeah, and it can definitely run up there. It's still up there. It's making this run. Make my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing them homebound. That motherfucker walking, or excuse my language, strolling. That's not what we want to see. I should explode up to our. That's not what we want to see. Nah, we want to see some bearish. Give me something super bearish. There's a lot of volume there. Oh, hold on a second. All right. We want to see a crash down to 0 right now. I am by uh default more of a person that takes shorts, more of a bear. I mean, I don't let that like make me develop a bias. Have I in the past? For sure. You know, you just get so caught up on the trade idea. You like, nah, this was gonna work. I don't want to see no crazy bounce here. I want to see it go through these levels. That's not what I wanted to see. I didn't want to see a bounce like that. No. Let's see how this one closes. This 5 minutes. We got YM positive. Yeah. Excuse me. So now we're just being patient, waiting on letting market do its thing. We're just gonna let the trade develop. Well, the trades develop. I am seeing a lot of short pressure in MNQ. So it may get worse before it starts to get better. But I am seeing a lot of short pressure. And that's one thing I like about MNQ, that it just bounces around like crazy. Like the volatility is crazy. The opportunities to maybe make some money, but man, how's the help center? I don't need the help center. There it is, bouncing around, going crazy. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just jumped 10 points like a kangaroo. So we got a new 5 and 15 minute coming here soon. Yeah, new 5 and a 15 minute. We got a new 5 and a 15 minute coming here soon. Price action's not really what we're looking for, but we just gotta give ourselves some patience, time and patience, and let stuff develop. Yeah, that's not what I want to see. Not trying to find breakouts to the upside. It's not what we're looking for here. How much time is it? 44. Gonna let this run. Give me 1 second. Looks like we're about to get stopped out on MNQ. Stand by. All right. Yeah, and these are the only trades we're taking anyways. Session. Just like to execute my trades. Most of my trades, my strategy take place in the morning for the morning session, New York session. This stuff is a lot for fun, and practice too. But yeah, look at the price action on the NQ. Just about to get stopped out. That's why I don't like. That's why I don't trade shit. I'm not familiar with. See, I shouldn't even be trading this, but it's cool. I shouldn't be trading it. Well, I shouldn't have traded it. Look at that, it just moved so quick like that. 50 points like that. And meanwhile, YM, it's barely moved at all. It's barely moved at all, bro. Well, we just got cooked right there. We got cooked right there. That's why I need to stay with I am more familiar with. Just here. Yeah, stay what I'm more familiar with. How long have I been streaming? For 30 minutes. Alright, we'll stay on for a little bit longer. We'll stay on for a little bit longer here. See if we can find some redeeming qualities anywhere. Got word open. Where did it open? Did the same thing here. Alright, where's this window? Alright, I got both of them here. I mean, a lot of tradition, 3 hour. Oh, extra confirmation. 15. 50-point cook. 5. I mean, it's getting up there. Nice ones, like, yeah, it's getting up there. If it comes back to a level, I'll probably take. If it comes back to a level, I'll probably take a long. Yeah, I probably will. If it decides to. Which looks like it might. Which looks like on the hour. On the hour, it doesn't look that way. It doesn't. Got the 4. The 4 is kind of. Oh, there was kind of a huge retracement. And we're gonna go to the 15. We're gonna go here. Limit by 10. We're gonna put an order there. We'll put an order there. We'll see what happens. Go to YM. Still just trucking along. Chugging along here, but I'm confident in this trade though. Yeah, I'm confident in this trade. This one, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if he even gets to that level. I'm not gonna follow it. If it don't hit, I'm just not gonna take it. Yeah, honestly, look like it hit. Kinda did.
Order filled.
Remove the limit. Another race. 250. We have some room here. That's why I'm confident with taking these trades. We got some room to play around here. So I expected it to come down a little bit like that. Yeah. That's probably where my level was, actually. It was. Alright, gonna let this run. We'll watch it. And I'm still here. Be right back. Gotta go feed my dog. Alright, I'm back. I actually gotta make a run here shortly, so we're just gonna let this continue to run. And then I'll head on back. Crazy, that's the drop we was looking for on the other side, but hey. It's the cruelty of the market and the irony of it. Look, they stopped us out. Got us. Irony. So, we're gonna be done. We already got this trade going. I will be back later. So, see you guys soon. Late.